Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Let us discuss on a strategy which will give you simple to understand and easy to execute trades. Buy here, exit here, sell here, you can mint profit here. This is 15 minutes time frame. This strategy works for any kind of a time frame. Short sell here, exit, buy here, you can write this. How simple it is, right? You got a sell signal, you can write this up to here. Sometimes when you enter it might get hit your SL, but you can have a reverse entry and you get bigger trades in this. And only thing like this, if inside price is moving inside of this cloud, then we should not trade. Let us start the strategy how we need to work. What are the indicators that use and how we need to work on this strategy. I'm removing the indicators and see, generally, why our stop losses will hit. What we need to do to see, we can't completely avoid stop loss hitting, but we should work our entries and the success should be in our favor. We need to capture that. You need to shortlist the stocks such a way that stocks will give you good profits. To be specific, for start selection, earlier we discussed that work on NSE India, top 5 gainers and top 5 losers. If you go to NSE India, every day at 9:45 p.m., you can see here top gainers and top losers list will be there. Take this top 5 gainers and take this top 5 losers and work only on top gainers buy side, top losers sell side. And moreover, see here advances and declines ratio, right? 23 and 27. You can work both buy side and sell side. If you have advances at 40, declines at 10, something like that, bigger difference, then only work on buy side. And one more thing, see that Nifty at the time you watching at 9:45. If it is negative 50 points or even above, then work only on sell side. If Nifty is positive 50 points and working even more, then work only on buy side. And we also discussed that how to shortlist the stocks in investing.com. If you the video will be lengthier, so go and watch your last video. In that I clearly mentioned how to pick good stocks through investing.com. So we are not covering now that one, it will take time, and we'll see now after picking the stocks the trade should be in our favor. How we need to work? I usually say that, see, market will go something like this. One second, let me find out where it is. Tool, I'm not getting the right one. Okay. Okay. Now on the buy side market, it will go like this. Why this wave will happen? Always pullbacks kind of a stuff. People brought here, they want to make a profit somewhere here and slowly price will come down. A buy stock will always go up because of the news or because of the strong fundamentals or because of the technicals. And stock moves up and those people brought here will exit here so that price will come down. And those who brought here, they'll book the profit, price will come down. So where you need to enter the trade, that will make you to be profitable, right? Now I say that now this is the stock, right? You are shortlisted the stock and it's moving like this. Nobody can enter here and exit here, right? Even God also can't do that. You need to enter somewhere here, you need to exit somewhere here, or else somewhere here. That is the way that we can make money. It's not possible to enter here, exit here. You need to enter somewhere here, exit somewhere here. This kind of a profits that you need to make. But people will do a short selling here and want to book a profit here. It never happen. Price will come up and it will hit the SL. Similarly, on the short side, the traders, what they do, they need to enter the market. They'll pick the stock something like this. Short sell. If stock is falling down, they want to make a profit buying here and exiting here. It's not possible. It will come back here and hit your SL. For short sell stocks, what you need to do, you need to enter somewhere here, exit somewhere here, where you'll have a smooth downside. You want to enter somewhere here, exit somewhere here. You want to enter somewhere here, exit somewhere here. But if you work on buy side or buy side somewhere here, it will hit hassle. So when you are entering, see that stock is making either higher high, higher lows. Hope you understand by now what I'm talking. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is higher high, this is higher low, higher high, higher low. If you have this stock with you, higher high, higher low, if you can identify this, then keep that stock with you for only buy entries. In higher highs, higher lows, if you identify, then you need to capture in this with any strategy that you are working. I'm not saying the strategies that you learned from me or that you gone through in my YouTube channel. Not only that, any strategy that you're working, you find that strategy is interesting to work, just follow this higher high, higher low. When this breaks, you can still enter here. And 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, whatever that, either you can exit here or else when you see a down movement, similar place you'll be exiting, waiting some more time. Hope you understand this technique. This is the way market functions. Somebody brought here, want to sell here to make that profit. By the time price will fall down. Now if you and me buy and then price won't come down, the big players. Stock market is a shark market and run by big players who works with hundreds of crores. They'll move the market and we just need to follow with them. You and me can't face tiger or lion. Only the survival is that, go and, back at the tailway so that lion can't see us and before that we can reach our targets. If you face the line, then obviously your SL will hit. Hope you understand the examples, maybe some kind of not relevant one, but anyway, if you got the point, then I'm fine. So people even they are sending that, they are working some of my strategies and hitting the stop loss and they given even the levels. When I see that levels, then lot of momentum on the buy stocks, people are trying to enter on the sell side. Lot of people have stock very momentum on the downside and they try to enter on the buy side, which is a small pullback may not give you good returns. Now if you understand that, then your 50% trade is successful. Then you follow proper entry and exit levels, then you can easily make money. Now let us jump to the strategy and see how this simple strategy, very simple, those who don't know how to work on stock market can even work with strategy. It is that simple. You need to type in here trend, strength, signals. that first one, if you write trend strength signals, the first one what you got it, just click that. You will get a cloud and also buy and sell signals. You can, if you see the buy signal, you can enter. If you see the sell signal, you can enter on the downside. Only thing, if you see price in between the cloud, you should not enter. That is the key thing in this. And we don't work with one single indicator, right? To get a double confirmation, we'll add one more indicator, which will give you. See, if you observe this, this stock is making lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. Now, if somebody find sell signal here, see price is going higher high, higher lows. We should not enter in this. But see clearly higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If you see this, this is the big profit zone, right? See here, sell signal you got higher high, higher low, then higher high. When you get this tilted and you got an entry here, you can make this profit. Right, before that we need to do some changes in this indicator. In this, what we need to do, we have period 20, so period 20 we should make it period 21, period 2.5 better make it 1.5, and period 25 take out this and make it 20. See, now these are the values that we back tested and giving more result. Now, if you want, you can fine tune this to even greater levels, observing so much and doing back testing for 2 years. You can't do forward testing, but you can do forward testing for at least 2 weeks. What is forward testing? Doing a paper trade, right? And then go to the style section, and in the style section, take out these three check marks. That's it. You are ready with the indicator. Just follow the higher high, higher low stuff and enter. And if you get any signal in between, don't enter that. If you need to enter, if your candle breakout on the cloud, and then we generally speak that even though you got a signal to enter, but the candle which you got a entry signal 50%, you put an order and leave it. If price comes back, take your order, well and good, otherwise you'll be having another trade, right? In that way you can reduce your stop loss 50% less. If you are working 1:1, in that you are making 1:2, making your lesser stop loss. See this, you got entry here. If you enter on the middle of the channel, you got an entry, and you got very soon your result, even better result, right? We'll add one more indicator. Let us take that indicator as MACD histogram. MACD histogram, this is the indicator to get one more confirmation. In the MACD histogram, we are not doing much trades. We are avoiding some, just keep this thing and take out other stuff. We don't want any other stuff to have some clarity. Let me show you once again how to add MACD histogram. MACD histogram. Just click that MACD histogram. You can see the star mark. I just clicked it. You have so many lines which may be getting confused. Just go and uncheck on the style part. Just keep the histogram. Rest all you can remove. Right? We just kept histogram. We didn't change anything on the input, and just clicking OK. So this histogram shows that this is the momentum of the stock, and light green shows that momentum is started decreasing. When you see green color, it says the momentum is increasing, and when it shows red light green color, momentum is decreasing. So if momentum is decreasing, price is increasing, these things will come little advanced stage. That time there will be heavy fall might coming, so you can wait. See the thicker, even red color we approach. These are all depends on open interest and all that will come later, not particularly something. And see such a big fall in big candle after 15 16 candles, one big candle is engulfed all this, and this could be a bigger fall down. So hope you understand how to plot MACD histogram. Similarly, the first this thing that what we plotted is trend strength signals, and in that also just observe this, whatever that we plotted in the style section, we removed only these three things. Now Nifty, Bank Nifty indexes, you can work from 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. For stocks, you can work, 15 minutes is the better one. Even 5 minutes also will work. Now we'll take some other stock, Bank Nifty. See, such a big things. See, now if you have such a big candle, people will think that you have anyway such a bigger candle. Can you see that how much in one candle given? In 15 minutes, one candle given, if you see here, you can understand. Almost 613 points in one candle, right? You feel that, giving 600 candles, you don't get much more. But this candle is engulfed this many candles. So there will be heavy buying pressure. See, when you get a sell signal, you got a bigger sell side profit. We'll take another stock and see Nifty Financials. The same day, same signals. Such a big red candle engulfed these many candles, and see such a big fall. So one strategy is enough. Don't run around different strategies. Master in that. If you want to take out MACD histogram, plot one more thing. Anything will work. Second confirmation. You want to enter here by signal. But what histogram is saying? This is also saying green, then confidently you can enter. And don't wait until you get a red signal to exit. If you get 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, whatever that you are reach, 50% exiting here, another 25%, another 25%, do that. See here, you got a signal here. As a rule, we enter half of the candle to make our SL less. If you see with that SL, you are making, see, we'll see from here, half of the thing we got an entry. Sometimes we miss the entry. Okay, you know, we'll work with lesser trades. It's fine. One is to 6.5 kind of a risk to reward that you got. In Bank Nifty, you can work easily in that. Even in the stocks, you can work with the higher time frame also. If you want to work on swing trading, make it 1 hour candles, and see this entry here. You might have exited here, and in the short side, in the stocks, no short side. But if you are working future and options, entry here, such a big move. This cloud works as a resistance. See, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high. If you count that, you can even keep your trade for more profit. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Entry. See how good profit you got. This trades will give you such a big profit. Only the thing you need to wait patiently. As I always suggest, if you get an entry, enter half of the candle so that you are minimizing your SL. From there, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If that is breaking here, higher high, higher lows, can you see that? We are not seeing higher high. It's a sideways and then it tilted as a lower high, lower lows. You can make such a big profit. This works on even on daily as well. All the time frames, irrespective of stocks that we have, you can work on this with any kind of a time frame from 1 minute to whatever. Buy entry, see such a big profit. You might have exited here and again re-entered, almost on the same price. And price is inside the cloud, don't enter. This is a bigger time frame daily. But in this you'll be getting hell lot of intraday trades, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, even 30 minutes. So stock selection we discussed, and we discussed how to plot these two indicators and how we need to trade. And most of the time how you should be favoring your trade by looking at the stock at least few hours before the trade, and whether the stock is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then that stock is for you to do a intraday trade or swing trade, whatever. If you want to work for intraday, then higher high, higher low, see in the 60 minutes time frame. And if you are working for the swing trading or investing per swing trading, then look at the higher high, higher lows in the daily time frame perspective. And if you want investing, then look at the weekly time frame to enter into the daily. Hope you understand this strategy. Simple, very easy plotting two indicators which always gives the buy and sell signals. If price is inside and then moving, not breaking higher highs, higher lows, we are not entering. We'll be entering only when we have shortlisted stocks which are making higher highs, higher lows like this. Even if you missed here, you can enter here also. Higher high, higher low. When breaking this, you can enter and capture this. If you see all these things are making higher high, higher low, you can enter on breaking on top of it to make this. That is advanced stage. Now you rely on the signals and then work on. As we are working for beginners and up to 2 years, those who are making losses, so now I want to bring them all to the speed and getting into the profit zone. All right, then I'll come back with another strategy very soon. As we discuss stock selection, go to NSE India, top 5 gainers, top 5 losers, take that stocks. And if Nifty is positive, work only on buy sides. Nifty is negative, only on sell sides. If Nifty is hovering in between -50 to +50, you can work both sides. And be profitable always. Take home something at the end of the week. 1 day loss, 2 days loss is okay, but at the end of the week, your profit and loss should be green. And one disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered person, and you need to do only paper trading as per me until you get a confidence, or if you want to take trades, then consult with your financial advisor. I posted my Telegram channel in this, where we are discussing some like-minded people over there for different stuff. If you want to go there, then I'm putting my Telegram channel link below in the description box. You can enter that. All right, then we'll meet again on next Saturday with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.